So your VCR is not working, it's all snowy. I'm going to show you how to clean the heads real easy. Do it yourself. Don't hire somebody. Don't send it out. Do it yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. Let's get into the video.
Today we're doing a cleaning on a VCR head. So if you have a VCR, if you pick, either they have a VCR or you picked one up either at a yard sale or an estate sale and it doesn't work or it has some snow in it or it's not working correctly, very easy to clean the video heads. So my trick and my tip and my trick is that basically if you pick up these, especially these combination ones here, these VCR and DVD players, which are very common, you see them at yard sales, estate sales all the time for $5 or $7, $10, whatever. So first thing is if you can get the remote control, very important. If not, it's worth a little bit less, just so you know. But to clean the VCR heads are very easy, just so you know, okay? Real simple, it's not complicated. A couple things you need is basically here, these cleaning swabs. These are video head cleaning swabs, and basically some alcohol. If you're rubbing alcohol at home, that'll work fine, or isopropyl alcohol or whatever, any kind of type of alcohol. The idea is the alcohol evaporates on the head quickly, and these are like little chamois swabs, and the chamois swabs pick up the dirt and don't leave any lint. I do see people doing videos online with using paper. I've been cleaning VCR heads for 35 years. I've never used paper. I don't know if it's any good. I think a paper can be a little abrasive and can scratch the head. I'm not really sure. I wouldn't use paper. If you look online, you make your own choice about that. I use chamois swabs. I use things that are designed to clean video heads. So we're going to take this apart real quickly, and we're going to show you how to clean the video heads itself. As far as the DVD side itself, either they work or they don't work. Sometimes if they don't work, it's a laser issue or a motor issue, or usually there could be dust in there. So just get a can of compressed air, blow it out, you know what I mean, and just get it cleaned. And it's like compressed air like this. You can pick up this here, and I'll leave some links below where you can pick up all these different things so you can see that. And let's just take this apart and I'll show you how to clean these heads on these VCRs. Real simple. Let's get to the video.
Okay guys, I want to take 1 minute here just to thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. Let's get back into the video. I hope you're learning something today.
Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is just basically take off the screws. And there's only a few screws in some of these VCRs. They're real simple to take off. They sometimes look intimidating or complicated. They're not. There's a screw here, screw on the other side, and screws on the back as well. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3 in the back and 2 on the side. So a total of 5 screws on this combination. And they're pretty much all commonly about the same. Okay, so you get an idea. And we'll just... And they come off pretty easy. As you can see, they're very simple to remove. And let's just get to taking the rest of these off, and let's get into the VCR. Okay guys, so here we are. We have the VCR. All the screws are out, and most of these things just usually lift from the back and you pull out straight. Okay, you see these lips here? These lips align into the plastic piece in here, and that's how you remove it. So don't force it, always just tilt it up and out. Usually that does the trick. These here, little plastic, you can see these little tabs on the metal. There's one here and one over here. They sit in a little notch inside the case, and that's plastic. So just be careful when you put it back, not to break the little clips in here. Everything is made cheap even back in the day. So it just slides in and then pops down. So just see that, okay? Real easy. Don't be intimidated. So let's take a look inside this VCR and see what we have. Okay? So a quick look inside, you can see. So this is the video head itself, okay? And the video head itself is fairly simple. So basically it's magnetic. It picks up the magnetic particles from the tape. Basically it does its magic and transcodes it and plays it back to you as a picture or an image. This here is the audio pickup. So hopefully you can see that. Get some more light down here. Audio pickup. These are the pinch rollers, okay? These pinch are very important. These keep the videotape together tight and actually helps guide it through this guiding mechanism. This guides the tape. So this basically pulls up the tape, wraps it around the head picks up the signal in the audio, and that's how you get the playback. A lot of times these heads here get dirty, and they're really simple. So never touch the head itself with your finger. Okay, the grease and the oils from your hand will actually get the head, basically you'll corrupt it and make it dirty and won't work correctly. So never use your fingers on the head, but you can touch the top of the head. That's okay. And see what I'm doing here? I'm basically turning the video head. So what you want to do is really simple, and this is super simple. It's very easy. So just make sure the pinch head is in good condition, which this one is, and you can pick up these parts fairly easily online. So the pinch roll looks really clean, looks good. It's not, it's not falling apart. those are usually in pretty good shape. The main two things is the audio head here and the video head. So that's what you have. You have the video head, you have the audio head. So let's just take some solution. I'll show you how to clean this VCR, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so first thing we do is you're going to get a clean swab out. Like it is a chamois swab. These are super easy to do. Okay, and you take your alcohol. Again, doesn't matter. Isopropyl alcohol, professional alcohol, doesn't matter. You just take it and you just put a little dab on the head itself, on the pad. And you can see it's a little wet there. Okay, and all you have to do is place you can see on the head itself, as you can see here. I'll make it like that, and you just spin the head around like this. See what I'm doing here? I'm just spinning it one way, like this, and it cleans all the heads. This is a 4-head VCR, and you see what I'm doing here? I'm just basically going around, and that's it. Don't overdo it. Don't go crazy. There's a little bit of dirt on here as well. Take the other side. Put a little more alcohol on it, and clean the head on the audio side. And again, that's an easy swipe, very easy, just to go always one direction, like this. Hopefully you can see that. Just one direction. I'll turn this a little bit so you can see it better. Just like this. And that's it. And now your heads are clean and your audio heads are clean. And that's how simple it is to clean your VCR head. Very easy. So I hope I taught you how to clean the heads. Real simple, inexpensive. I'll leave some links below for all this the stuff that you need. Put the screws back like I showed you. Very easy. And that's as simple it is to clean your VCR head. All right, guys, that's it for me. Any questions or comments, leave below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does help support what I do, and hopefully you learn from me so you can do it yourself and save some money. All right, that's it for me, guys, and I'll see you at the next review.